In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a TikTok video on your computer. Let's start right from the beginning. First, make sure you're on the TikTok website using a browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and that you're logged into your account. Once you're signed in, head over to your profile dashboard. You can do this by clicking your profile picture or your username, usually found on the top right corner of the screen. This takes you to your personal space on TikTok, where you can see your videos, your liked content, and other profile details. From your profile, look to the left-hand side of the screen. In the main navigation menu, you'll see an option labeled Explore. Go ahead and click on Explore. This is where TikTok shows you a wide variety of trending and recommended videos. Think of it as a discovery page that helps you find content beyond your usual feed. Once the Explore page loads, scroll through until you find a video you'd like to share. You can browse by category, search for a specific topic or creator using the search bar, or simply click on something that catches your eye. When you see the video you want, click on it to open it in its own dedicated player page. Now that the video is open, look for the share icon on the right-hand side of the video player. This icon usually looks like an arrow or a curved arrow pointing to the right. Click on that share icon and a sharing menu will pop up. Here, you'll see quick options to share the video directly to platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, X, Telegram, and Pinterest. If you're already logged into those accounts in your browser, sharing can be as simple as choosing the platform and confirming the post in the window that appears. If you don't want to share through those buttons, or you'd prefer to paste the link somewhere else, look for the option that says Copy Link in that same share menu. Click on Copy Link, and TikTok will copy the video's URL to your computer's clipboard. From there, you can paste that link into an email, a message, a document, or any social platform that isn't listed in the sharing menu. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to find a video on TikTok using Explore, open it, and either share it directly to other platforms or grab the raw URL to use wherever you like.